Pit, late machine?
Oh, yung late machine.
Oh. Anong problema yan?
Guys,
Ano natanggal?
na po yan mga guys. Na guys, so yan. Oh, pinakayaan yung mga electrician dito guys.
Kaway-kaway mo na. Yun. Ayusin natin yan.
Good morning sa lahat.
Shout out sa mga taga... Yun.
Dating ilig, bakit din? Nabayaan mo.
Si Peter. Busy si Peter. Ako naman busy rin sa mga electrical job ko. In here you will see and find the different colors of the busted lamp that we had on our accommodations, engine room, workshop, internship perimeters, and you will find a lot of busted lamp while I just on board on ship. So one of the first job I did, I replaced all the busted lamps. I replaced the busted starters. I replaced also broken ballast, and also check the internship accommodation lights. So as you can see, there is a glaring lights. So now I am here at the accommodation cabin of my second engineer, and I tried to fix the broken lamp inside of his cabin. So on ship we have different lamp holders, different sizes, different types, and different length. So as you can see, those holders already cracked, so I need to replace it. But the problem is I don't have same kind of lamp holders, so I just make this one with a terminal strip, so I can fix and remove the old broken lamp holders. Take note, while you are on board on ship, before you must need to bring a good screwdrivers, because sometimes on board don't have available tools for you to do your job more efficient and more faster. You see, this screwdriver is already broken, not good one. So this is my lamp holders for the fluorescent. And now I just put my new lamp holders, and both end I need to replace it. So once you put the fluorescent, it's good to fix it in place. So one of the problem on ship, also we have different length of the fluorescent lamp. This lamp holders is adjustable. You can slack the screw, you can adjust it. So if you have lamp which is short one, you can put it also. If you have lamp with long one, you can install it properly. So this is the different kind and type of the fluorescent lamp holders, and we have also different types of fluorescent lamp that we had. DL means daily light, which is white in color, and CW means cool white, which is almost yellowish color. As you can see here, I have different pins because as I found somebody tried to use a short fluorescent lamp, so they put an extension pins so they can install it on a fluorescent lamp fixture with a long span length. So before you do that, think of it, because if you do an extension pin, you may broke the lamp holders and fixtures.
So, gagawin natin yung ilaw dito, no? Yung ilagay ko na ito. Then, gamit tayo ng screwdriver. Screwdriver ako dito. Ito, pangmalakasan. Dapat meron kayong working gloves para hindi makuryente, no? Ito. Gagamit tayo ng terminal strip. Yan mga guys. So, yan na siya. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng ilaw. Ito, ilalagay natin. Ilaw, tetestingin natin. Ito. Slide. Ito, slide. Ito yung ilaw. Lagay mo dito. No? Ito yung ginawa natin. Yan. Tapos, ito yung kabila. Ito yung kabila. Ito na yan mga guys. So, kung nakalagay na yan, titestingin natin. I-on yung switch. Yun guys, bino na, no? So, testing natin. Ito yung ginawa natin. Yan. Yun, no? Nag-connect tayo dyan. Punta doon. Ayusin ko na lang to. Yan yung pinalitan natin ito. Okay. Blue. Punta doon.
With me is our bosons, and we are doing ramp replacement on a tunnel. On a container ship, we have a tunnel at starboard side, and before doing anything on a void space, you must need to do a permission and call the attention of the shipmate or any navigating officer at the bridge. So any job must be done in a safely manner. So we had a lot of busted lamp on a tunnel because this tunnel is a void space and not easy to work with. So it's better for you to have an assistant while doing and replacing some lamp. It is not nice to see that we have different colors of light that installed in a one lamp fixture. Together with me is Boson. He is cleaning the glass cover while I am replacing and fixing some broken lamp holders. Inside it is very difficult to breathe, so to have an assistant as required. Here is a broken lamp holders because they forced to put a long fluorescent lamp. You must need to avoid it so you will never break the lamp holders
That I'm going to replace now here at container ship. Yun. I am now here in front of the bridge. You must need to loosen this one. Also on the other side, loosen this one. But this here have switch must be off, so you can see the light here. Oops, yun. As you can see, we have Allen key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Allen key. Papalitan natin kung dito. Oh. Very nice place, beautiful place.
This is the inside part of the cargo light that we had on the bridge.
Para hindi kayo mahirapan maglagay ng rubber, no? Bago nyo higpitan yung Allen key, paglagay kayo ng ganito, ito yung aking technique para habang binapatak nyo yung rubber na yan, no? Pwede nyo ngayon unti-unting higpitan yung mga Allen key. Ito yung ginamit ko na pang ikot ng rubber. Kita nyo, nababatak ko pa ikot. Yan. Para mailagay nyo ng tama yung rubber seal sa labas. Okay. Uy. Ayun, bangka. No? Napalitan na natin yung ilaw. So, final testing. Tignan nyo yung pa ako. Niliwanag yan. Yun. Kita nyo? Liwanag. Okay.
You must need to wear a proper PPE, safety harness, helmet, and goggles while doing job on a loft or any internship part which has a risk of falling. So keep safe. Always
Morning guys.
think that makes yourself
Ayun, mahihayin nyo, no?
as safety as possible.
Yan, masisipag. Tapos, cable space, pipeline, starboard side, port side.
Sa mess hall.
Ayun, gagawin natin yan.
Sa mess hall.
Okay.
Bulb yan na bulb.
Valve, okay. Dito.
Sir, wala pa rin power sir sa big
Okay. Kasi yung store. Ano pa?
Crane number 1 ang
Number
location.
1, location, port side.
Lek, dito na ako, Lek. Starboard side, B18.
Okay, proceed. Starboard side by 18. Yun, napakasipag mga guys. Ayun. Ayan, nangon sumiti puson. Mga pasaway yung mga tao niya eh. Kaya guys, mahirap maging puson, di basta-basta.
Lek, pasok.
Yes sir, coming.
Common sense.
Nakauna lahat.
Brush lang ang ilulubog dito.
Yung
Hindi lang
starboard
ang-
side na green natin, aw.
Okay, check. Yan guys. Magandang morning. Ito, welding job. Ako ngayon papalit ng mga lapunding ilaw dito.
Nakakipit. Sinakpak ni...
Uy.
Buti hindi nasira kong balon.
Walang power?
Wala talaga. Ito.
Weh.
Lipat ko sa kapila.
Doon, wala rin.
At baka hindi nakaswitch dun sa...
Yun nga ang tanong breaker.
Ayun, o car ship. Buksan natin yan. Baka may breaker. Ayan, may pang reels na naman tayo mga guys. Napakasipag na AB welder to.
Ayos talaga.
Yun, shout out kay
Badong,
Iti-
Lapidis.
oh, Badong. Yan. Papaturo tayo dyan paano mag-reels.
525 nandun yung ano pundi ng ilaw ganito yung bilog
Walang power. Nag-ano kasi tayo no, CO2 alarm. Ayan no. CO2 release. Kaya siguro nawala yung power dito. May ground. Malaki. Pasok.
tingin twist
Pasok.
yan
Pakaliwa ang pihit. Mag-on tong breaker. Ayan.
pong
Ayun.
iyon ko ha
Op!
wala
Wala. Uy!
Ang bigas at gatas.
Uy! Kaway ka naman dyan. Ayun. Ganyan kahirap.
Nga.
Ayun.
Kaya
Mga gusto
kayo,
magsiman.
kung gusto kayo magsiman,
Amintura
isipin
kayo.
Isipin nyo tayo mabuti. Kasi ang siman, nasa amin ang lahat. Saktong tulog, saktong kain, saktong pahinga, at saktong trabaho.
Yun.
Kaya higit sa lahat, ang daming mga kupal at sip-sip dito!
Uy, kaibigan! Ano?
Hello, kaibigan.
Anong ginagawa mo dyan?
Ito.
May hinahanap pa dyan ah. Ano eh? May bayawak pa dyan?
Wala naman.
Ah,
Okay naman. Ito paano?
ano masasabi mo sa mga gustong magsiman?
Isipin nyo na 10 beses kung ito ba talaga yung profession na gusto nyo.
Yun. Bakit ka nagsiman?
Kasi nasilaw sa malaking salapi.
Yun.
Sa sahod, pero yung tulog
Yun guys. Okay. Kasi pag talaga ano nyo. Walang tapon na pintura dyan, oh.
Hi guys,
Shout out na kayo doon sa kanyang ano, reels. Anong pangalan ng reels mo?
don't forget my subscribers and follow my account or
Name.
reels.
Anong pangalan?
Arqueroc City 22.
Arqueroc City 22 Reels. Subscribe
you.
na kayo at follow. Yun. Philippines. Welcome to Vigo, Spain. Ayan, umaga.
Umagang kay ganda. Oh. Look at this mountain. Ayun. O yan ang aming trabaho ngayon. Ay, dyan ako. Ayusin ko yung... Yan.